Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Tutorials, your only stop for amazing tech solutions. So today we are going to be learning how you can get verified on Telegram. You can do so by following these simple steps. So open Telegram on your device, and after that you need to choose what you want to get verified. Either it could be any contact or group or anything. So right now, as you can see, I have created a group earlier and I'm going to be getting it verified. So for that particular reason, I'm going to be clicking on my group, click on group title at the top, and then click on this pencil icon. Scroll a little bit down until you can find this invite links. Click on that and simply copy your invite link. Now what we are going to be doing is that heading back, click on this pencil icon from your contacts, and here you need to search for verification bot. So as you can see, Telegram offers this verification bot using which you can get yourself verified. So click on start, and now you simply need to paste your link in here. And once you do that, you need to wait for a couple of moments, could be 12 to 24 hours. It will get you verified automatically. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.